A team of ex-Google and Tesla engineers just dropped an open-source operating system that could link every humanoid robot on Earth into a single connected hive mind. This could be the biggest leap in technology ever, or the last mistake humanity makes. Meanwhile, a $5,300 personal humanoid is ready to move into your home, learn your habits, and adapt to your personality. And China? They're rolling out a $1 trillion plan to put intelligent machines in factories, hospitals, and homes nationwide. Let's break down how robotics just took a massive leap forward. First up, OpenMind and their OM1 operating system, built by a team of former Google and Tesla engineers. Their goal? Do for humanoid robots what Android did for smartphones. Today, every robot has its own closed proprietary system. Developers have to code separately for each one. OM1 is open source and hardware agnostic, meaning everything from a warehouse bot to a humanoid assistant can run the same intelligence. Without rewriting a single line of code, OM1 integrates advanced AI for perception, decision-making, and movement. So instead of basic commands, you get adaptive, multimodal intelligence. And here's the wild twist: a companion protocol called Fabric. Think of it as the nervous system connecting every robot, a decentralized network where they share what they learn in real time. A hospital robot finds a faster way to deliver supplies? That skill can be instantly passed to another robot halfway across the globe. Yes, there are security concerns. Open networks attract hackers, but if it works, it's a robotics game changer. OpenMind just raised $20 million from Panta Capital and even Pi Network, hinting at a possible blockchain element for secure coordination. It's built in Python under an MIT license, making it plug-and-play for developers. They're pushing OM1 into universities, betting the next generation of engineers will grow up on this platform instead of closed systems. And yes, OM1-powered quadrupeds start shipping next month with a bigger rollout in October. If October's launch works under real-world pressure, it could flip the balance of power in robotics. If it fails, it'll prove that vertical integration might still be the safer bet. While OpenMind is uniting software, Engine AI is going after the home market. Meet the SAO2, a 1.25-meter-tall, 25-kilo humanoid priced at $5,300. It's not built for factories, it's built for your life. With 26 plus 2 degrees of freedom, it moves its fingers naturally, gestures while talking, and makes micro-movements that feel human. Inside is a built-in large language model that remembers conversations, adapts over time, and shapes its personality around yours. 2 HD cameras handle face tracking and object detection, while high-fidelity speakers make music and reading sound natural. It's light, friendly in design, and fits easily into any home. The man behind it, Zhao Tongyang, used to lead humanoid robotics at XPeng before starting Engine AI. Their first model launched in 2024 for education and research. SAO2 is lighter, friendlier, and aimed at everyday companionship. Full reveal happens at the 2025 World Robot Conference in Beijing. Then there's Fourier's GR3, an emotional intelligence Carebot. With vision, audio, and tactile feedback feeding into a real-time emotional processing engine, it can blink when touched, adjust its gaze, and even change movement styles depending on the environment. It's designed for homes, hospitals, and elder care, with hot swappable batteries and a modular build that developers can customize. And all of this is happening while China launches a nationwide embodied intelligence strategy, unveiled at the 2025 World Robot Conference. Government, academia, and industry are aligning to integrate intelligent robots into the economy. From manufacturing to healthcare to home assistance. The plan includes breaking tech bottlenecks, building a complete robotics ecosystem, and creating standardized training grounds for humanoids. By combining simulation with real-world training, they want skills learned in virtual environments to transfer seamlessly into physical robots. Financial institutions project, this could be a trillion yuan market, potentially hitting 24.7 trillion yuan by 2050. Banks are offering full lifecycle support to robotics companies, while major tech alliances form to speed commercializations. From open-source robot hive minds to personal humanoids to national AI strategies. Robotics is evolving faster than anyone predicted. Which of these breakthroughs do you think will have the biggest impact? Like this video if you want more deep dives, and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next.